Looking to upgrade your in-car entertainment and connectivity? Meet the CarlinKit CarPlay AI Box, powered by the latest Android 13 system and a powerful Qualcomm SM6225 processor. This smart streaming box transforms your factory infotainment system into a fully featured Android hub, all without changing your car's hardware. With wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto built-in, it supports both iPhone and Android devices. Just tap the AutoKit icon, and you're instantly connected, no cables required. Once paired, it connects automatically every time you start your car, making your drive smoother and more convenient. Under the hood, the 8-core SM6225 chip ensures fast performance with low power consumption and high stability. Whether you're streaming video, navigating with GPS, or multitasking with multiple apps, the AI box handles it all seamlessly. You can choose between 4GB RAM with 64GB ROM, or go big with 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM. No more slowdowns, lag, or memory issues. It even supports SD card expansion, letting you store music, videos, and apps right inside the device. Stay connected with dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 and 5.8 GHz, Bluetooth 5.0, and 4G SIM support. Whether you're using a mobile hotspot or inserting your own SIM card, the internet is always at your fingertips. And yes, the MiFi function turns your car into a Wi-Fi hotspot for passengers or other smart devices. Navigation? No problem. The CarlinKit box features built-in GPS, supporting systems like Beidou, Glonass, and base station positioning. Even if your car doesn't come with built-in navigation, you'll still get full access to Google Maps, Waze, or any other mapping app. The experience is just like using a high-end tablet. You can download apps from the Google Play Store, watch Netflix or YouTube, listen to Spotify, or even split the screen to run multiple apps at once, like music and maps together. It's plug and play, easy to install, and once set up, it blends into your driving experience effortlessly. It also handles extreme temperatures, from -25 up to 65 degrees Celsius, so it's ready for any environment. Whether you're a road tripper, a rideshare driver, or just someone who wants more tech in their car, the CarlinKit Android 13 AI Box is the upgrade your dashboard has been waiting for.